Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our 4th of July weekend RV trip festivities.
2021.
Brooklyn, no.
You're a tease.
Oh my gosh, that's funny. Well, it's really nice to meet you. Now, was that a playful? Show you we're in the tiny town of Hayburn, and there's this square in here, and my mom, when she was young, used to come and play at the swing set in here while her mom went across the street and went shopping. And the way that they have the cars driving around the square, she said at Christmas time Santa would come and drive around the square. Just really cute, quaint town. I'm not showing you what we had for breakfast. I'm showing you the cleanup. It was too good. I need to do a video on our breakfast burritos. This is all that we have left.
Those burritos were so good. I'm usually not a burrito fan, but they were great.
Really? Are you not?
Not, well, you know, you always put too much on it and it always spills all over, but I just, less is more.
Delicious. Well, if you guys liked it,
I'm sorry, I had two.
We had two.
It's one of my hugs because they don't give him tight enough hugs. He wants to feel the baby.
There's just no affection in them, so I'm just teaching her. I want an affection hug.
He said, I want to feel that baby.
I want to feel that baby.
Hi, guys. Boston is out here showing everyone his trophy.
I think that is so cool that you got 3rd place, buddy.
Hi, Julie. You got up so early to be here.
I was so happy. It was like 5:30 and I was like, man, I'm gonna get up. He's like, just a minute, Julie. I'm getting up.
You're like, no, we're leaving. Well, welcome. We're getting in the lake today.
Of course, where the sheep ride, and then I had to ride backwards because that's where all your weight goes.
He asked if Boston was excited. This morning, Boston came lurking around behind our trailer, holding his trophy with the dumbest smile on his face I've ever seen.
Hey, did you guys see this? I don't know if you guys saw this yesterday.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
He had it behind his back. He's like, look what I got.
You ever seen a 3rd place trophy?
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change.
Got some real muscle bringing our things down
You live
today.
and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough.
This is the infamous bridge from last year. This is right where Boston lost his blue lapis ring last year. Sad day. Grandpa's getting seasick. Code, you have manned this lily pad out here. So Dad said to leave one of the straps to it. See this right here?
Check it out, see what your weight.
Ew. All right, Cody. You're gonna knock me out into the water. Stop. You're pushing me into the water. Okay, undo one of these. Push, 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 okay? And now you leave the other one on here, and then we'll get into the water. You're pushing me into the water. Okay. Oh, Cody knows what he's doing. Do you want to know? It's a real different day when your son can do these manly things for you. Cody, you're not just this little baby boy anymore. You are not. Okay, where does that strap onto? Around the... Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, my little man, sure proud of you. It's because you watch your dad, don't you? Got the other two already out in the water. Link, you don't go too far, okay? You don't go too far. Is that a one-piece maternity?
Yes.
Where is that from?
Amazon.
Stop it.
I know. I love it.
Oh my, Julie, I am literally dead. Have you had your picture taken?
No, you want to take my picture?
Now, like now. Okay, clear out there. The boys are on the bridge. Oh gosh, who is standing there?
Oh, it makes me like nervous.
Man, I have FOMO. I'm missing out. I want to be over there. We had a missing oar, and we had been working so hard. My dad was working so hard at keeping the oar not lost. We lost one. See, that green doesn't have one. And all the people, all of our group went over to this bridge. And as they were over there, we saw this oar floating clear out there. And I spotted it, and it floated all the way right to where they were. Is that incredible? And my dad just dove out and got it. Hey, where'd everybody go? Update, there's a piece of driftwood. We still have an oar lost. Oh, he is at the very top. That's Cody. Oh gosh, that's Cody. Oh. Hear my mom gasp in the background along with me. That was scary. Julie, I can hear him screaming no. Joel, he's kicking. Oh! He just threw him off. Yeah. I did his hair, thank you. Olivia did Emma's hair. We're gonna go to my mom's, what, is it her original ward?
I think so.
Yeah, we're going to my mom's original ward, so we packed up the church clothes. And you know what? The morning wasn't bad. We had, who did we have? We had Emma and Cooper spend the night last night in our RV. Julie came up a couple days later in our trip and they stayed at a hotel.
We're really camping it.
You know what? That is not a bad way to go.
Loved it.
Yeah. All right, let's go to church.
Yeah, we are waiting on the mother bird who is currently impregnated in the egg nugget, and so she's peeing right now. She's taking a trip to the lavatory.
All right, we're gonna do a little roll call. Do we have Julie and Landon?
Yeah, we got the silver bullet checking in. Over.
All right, do we have a Uncle Calvin and Aunt Buff?
We are here ready to rock and roll.
All right, and last but certainly not least, we have Grandma and Grandpa Griff.
Oh yes, you can find us at grandpaandgrandmagriff.com. Check us out, like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, eh? Hey?
Ooh, it's the shameless plug-in for me. I don't know if this is a super common dynamic, but my kids have spent more time with my aunt and uncles this summer than I ever have with, I've never ever done anything socially with my parents, aunts and uncles. And I'm not hating it. Like, I'm not hating it. This is amazing. My kids are loving my aunt and uncles.
I love it, Uncle Calvin.
Yes, and Uncle David and Aunt Marlene and Aunt Buff. That's who we've been hanging out with. Okay, and I'm just realizing this. They have spent countless hours with my Aunt Sonia before she passed away. And then also with my Aunt Patsy. We've been on trips with my Aunt Patsy. Excuse us, please. We came up to Hoshone Falls and it looks a lot different than it has in years past. How come like none of the, is that why? Because there's not as much water?
Yeah, and they're trying to conserve the water, so they gotta hold it and retain it.
Wow, because normally if you guys go back and watch our last year's vlog that I'll put in the description, this whole thing is just pounding down water. Gosh, it's still so beautiful, but it's only half running. The other half over here, the bigger half usually is what's just coming down with water. Kind of crazy to see it not going. We've all taken everything out. Let's go out and have dinner. Let's go out and have dinner. Let's go. What is my dad doing? Okay, he's pretending to vlog me. But basically, I don't know why he's trying to be entertaining. Okay, well, he's entertaining me. Mission accomplished. Oh, he got the quinoa. Thank you. Is there anything to go under it? Is it still super hot?
It's still warm, yeah.
I'll grab a hot pad. Okay, Mom has one. Okay, well, I was gonna go in my RV. No, I don't have to. But this is where we have spent our entire trip. We've eaten and chit-chatted the entire trip. That's the only thing we've done, and it's been glorious. Boy, howdy, the wind picked up like crazy. Basically blew everything in our camp spot away. The girls are dancing in the wind. We're gonna go check on the kids over at the park. There is just stuff flying. It did not stop the kids one tiny bit. They are running. They're throwing wood chips in this windstorm. Yeah. What else do you do in a windstorm? You jump in the lake. All right, go ahead.
Let's go! You go first and I'll do it.
Do it together. Hopefully their mom isn't mad at me for letting them get their clothes wet. Hey Joe, you look really pretty against that sky. Yeah, you do. I hope she's not mad. Cody just found us! He didn't want to get his new clothes wet! Good boy! Wow! Good job, boss!
All right, what is after a invigorating swim with all the kids, impromptu. It actually led to an impromptu shower time, which was nice because all the kids needed it.
And I started.
Did you?
Yeah, look.
Oh, that's a good one. We have one last little surprise for the kids. Glow sticks, party box.
Julie and I did a very makeshift job of finding clothes for her kids because all her stuff is out at a hotel. So half the kids aren't wearing underclothes and we just did the best. Okay, Olivia's like, don't clarify that. I am. But we were able to find hoodies and things for the kids and we are preparing for the 4th of July, or for the fireworks. Okay. Wow. Satisfying. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there you go. All right, I'm coming by ya. I'm coming by ya. Let's see, Cooper.
Okay.
Oh, Dad ruined it with his light.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
Here's an important lesson. We all just sat around and had a discussion on how, you know, we don't want so-and-so coming because he always does this, this, and this, or we don't want so-and-so to play with us because they do this, this, and this. So we had a collective agreement. We have committed, and we are all starting fresh, that we're not going to treat each other meanly. We're not going to say mean things to each other. Lincoln, you're not even listening.
Water got lower. It got warmer. Yeah.
Can we all agree to be nice to each other and not hold our past against each other? Can we do that? All right, let's get some sunblock on. Cooper likes the smell, Emma likes my nails. You guys are just sucking up to me, aren't ya? Okay, got your face on. Oh, come here. Turn around. Hey, you don't like it? It smells bad. Yeah, this one doesn't smell good, but it's really cheap. All right, turn around and look at me. Well, all is well in Cousin Paradise. And this is what we plan on doing basically all of today, and then we're gonna head home tonight. But isn't it nice that they can just forgive and forget and move on? That's what makes the friendship so strong, is how mean they can be to each other. Hey, cute shirt.
Hey, nice shirt, yeah.
Hey, Julie. Nice shirt. We're gonna walk over to the, what is this, Gosner's?
The Gosner's Chalet.
This is the cutest spot. Uncle Calvin said, your favorite uncle is going to buy everybody ice cream. And I said, ooh, when does he get here? Thank you for the ice cream. Okay, Huckleberry. Did you guys have fun?
Cotton candy.
Did you have a...
Cotton candy.
Good. Did you guys have a fun trip? You did. You did. We're gonna end our vlog by eating our ice cream, and I think we're all gonna pack up and head out. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
No, my phone is wet. I'm so glad my computer didn't go wet. Oh no, my computer! I'm just glad it didn't have my wallet in my pocket. Oh no, I kept all my money in there!
Checking in on 4909er.
Okay, well I'm an idiot and I pushed the button as you were talking, so we'll try that again.
I think this is a test. I think they want to wait for us to say something silly about them, and then they'll tell us that the radio's on.
See, and I just...
Keep the silver bullet here under 75. It's good for the fuel economy, you know.
See, and I just remembered.
Mother Earth needs every bit of TLC that it can get right now. Because you got that thing full of DEF, I think you'll be all right.
DEF.
Speaking of DEF, I think I might...
Okay, we're walking over to get... My gosh, yikes. If you don't know, there's a huge divot right here that you have got to go... That's a... Why do they have that there?